In this lesson, you'll learn about multiple ways to make your newsletters more engaging and ultimately enjoying a boost in reader engagement. We will dive into some more advanced ways to do so. Let's take this tip from our designers in mind. We don't try to make it perfect right away, since that would be incredibly time-consuming. Instead, we launch a first version and watch how it performs. So, if you're looking to create your first newsletter in Foleon, go ahead and get started with it. The tips learned in this lesson will help you push that first newsletter to the next level. However, let me share 3 tips that always stay relevant whether you're just getting started or have been creating newsletters for a long time. Then we'll jump to the juicy part of this lesson, showing you some powerful embed options and adding a chat widget. All with the goal in mind to make your next newsletter the most engaging and interactive one yet. When starting out, set up a project folder for the sole purpose of creating newsletters. Don't place other Foleon docs in this project folder. Use a recurring format with a structure your readers will recognize. Saving your first successful newsletter as a doc template will make this easy for you. And lastly, toggle on the editions visibility in the Foleon doc settings. This makes it possible for readers to move to earlier editions of your newsletter. The docs visible there are published docs within the same project folder. That's why you don't want to have other content in that project folder. Now it's time to dive into ways to make your next newsletter the most engaging and interactive yet. Keep your newsletter in mind while watching, and make a note of which options you can leverage in your next edition. If you can embed it, you can include it in your newsletter. With embedding, the possibilities are endless. It's almost like a window looking at another location on the web. Through the embed element, Foleon facilitates your creativity. However, the source determines if you can embed it and what it will look like. Many popular external sources allow you to share or embed. I'll share 3 examples that can be great to include as part of your recurring newsletter format, so that your readers know what to expect and can look out for in each edition. These 3 are all multi-channel marketing examples delivering additional value to your readers. Podcasting is a hot trend. Almost all of us are doing it. Are you sharing this often enough with your audience, though? Embed a podcast episode in every newsletter so that your readers don't miss out on any wisdom you share with the world. The same goes for social media posts. Some of your newsletter readers simply won't be aware that you're active on a specific channel. Seeing what cool stuff you do elsewhere can be informative and inspiring, and it may even get you additional engagement and followers as well. Are you also active on YouTube? Embed your latest video here as well. Whether it's the video of your podcast, latest webinar, promo video, or something else, give some extra visibility to it. Are you still taking notes about what you're going to add to your next newsletter? Other embeds we see our customers use are quizzes and surveys. These embeds give an extra layer of interactivity. Here's an example from Typeform. The styling of this quiz takes place in Typeform itself. To get the URL to embed, often you'll have to extract the source URL from a longer embed code. Always check our Help Center for specific guidance. If you have something else in mind to embed, give it a try. Always double check how it looks on your tablet and mobile viewports. Responsiveness depends mostly on the source where you're embedding from. More tools you can use creatively are a Foleon form, or a form from your marketing automation platform through a native integration. This can be a great way to get your audience to sign up to an event or download a white paper directly from your newsletter. The longer you can keep the attention of your audience, the better. This way, you can better track engagement of what your audience is doing. A final tip to share with you is to include a chat widget to your newsletter. This is also an external tool that you can add through the Google Tag Manager. This feature is not available to all plans. And that's it. Time to help your audience read all of your newsletter content by making it fun and engaging. Here's a quick recap of all the options we shared. We hope you have fun creating your next newsletter. Good luck and thanks for watching.